G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Locksport, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe.
G'day all, how you all going? Now, I'm going to try a brand new experiment here. I've got some figs we've still got growing on our tree, as you can see these ones here. These are the green ones, which are fantastic. You can tell by the green. You can eat the whole fig. What I've done is diced most of them. Some have come split, so I just diced it. And what I'm going to do is put these 14 figs into this jar. And then I've got this alcohol which I'm going to put then on top of that, and let's sit there and see if we can create a sort of fig liqueur. These are definitely right. We've still got heaps more on the tree. I've given over, well, me and Mum have eaten heaps. We've given easy over 200 of these figs away. So yeah, I'm going to make fig alcohol or fig liqueur. I'm not quite sure because I'm going to put once all this is in the jar, I'll label it. I'll let it sit there for I don't know how long until we get some flavour into the alcohol, and see if we need a sugar syrup or anything like that to go with it. You'll still be able to eat the figs afterwards because they'll be just alcoholic figs. That's all. And hopefully the figs will transmute their flavour into the alcohol. Now I've got this one bubbling at the moment. That is really full. I put 9 kilos of dextrose into that instead of 8. I had a little bit left over in the bag, so why not? So that's going to bubble, and oh, it smells nice. But anyway, we'll get back to the figs here, and I've also got some chilies, which I'm going to dry. There's not that many, alright? I'm waiting for them to turn red. As you can see, that's part red, part green, but if I left it in the bush, this is the only red one will be. But I want to try to get them all a nice red colour, then try to take them off, but you can't because some will stay green longer, and yeah, it's going to be annoying. But anyway, so I'll dry those ones as well today. So I was going to do it yesterday, but it was a lot worse yesterday, and we've still got, I'd say a bit more. I'd say at least 100 more figs on the tree at least. Anyway, I'm going to put all this into the jar and stop my babbling, and then I'll show you the end result when I put it all in with the alcohol. Okay. Okay, welcome back. Now we've got the figs in, as you can see. We're just going to put the alcohol in now, and then we're going to just basically write it 14 figs in alcohol, or just 14 figs. We might not need a litre. See how much is that being used. Probably will go a litre. I want all the figs to be covered. Well, that's it. Now, all those figs there just do their job and marinate into this beautiful alcohol, and we'll see what it turns into. That's something where we can do it every now and then. Test. Now, that's for these figs are the good ones, the green ones, because you can actually eat the skin of these figs. They have a white sap, which when you take off the bush, it's very sticky, but it's not poisonous, nothing like that. You can just, as it's before, you can eat this whole fig. But I wanted to experiment around with how we do the figs. So the first figs are going to be staying in the skin. They're going to stay in this jar, and every now and then we've got to pick it up. Alright, and we just sort of give it a shake or a light turn, and we'll see how long we can pickle these figs for. That looks good. Some are floating, and some have been pressed down tighter. Next time I might do that with all of them. Press them all down tight so they're all completely compact, but we'll see how we go. This is the very first time I'm trying this experiment. My name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.